everybody, very good morning to all. Today we are going to start with chapter number 8 of your textbook Beehive. Right? The name of the chapter is Reach for the Top. It has two parts. One part is about an Indian mountaineer named Santosh Yadav. Another is a tennis player, Maria Sharapova. Right? It's about their success stories. It's about the struggle they experienced and went through during their journey. Right? So, when you want to achieve success, remember one thing: it never comes easy. Right? And that is the message that here these two chapters have for us. So, without taking much time, let me tell you, you are going to have these particular two parts for the coming weekly test. तो नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए फोर्थ राउंड जो टेस्ट होगी उसमें ये ठीक है. So let us talk about Santosh Yadav. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. She is the only woman in the world who has climbed Mount Everest. फिर भी being a daughter, her birth was not welcome because we live in the society जहाँ पर boy child is given more importance. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man, giving her his blessing, assumed that she wanted a son, but to everyone's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by, told him that they did not want a son. The holy man was also surprised. Nevertheless, he gave the requested blessing, and the destiny to have it. The blessing seemed to work. Once they were traveling, and before the birth of Santosh Yadav, उनकी मम्मी और दादी सब ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे थे. There was a sadhu inside, एक साधु religious man था. He just gave a blessing. ठीक, जब संतोष यादव मम्मी के पेट में थे तो blessing दिया कि may you be blessed with a baby boy. But the mother, Santosh Yadav's grandmother, she told the sadhu to bless that lady with a daughter. And the blessing worked. The girl child was born. Santosh was born the sixth child in a family with 5 sons, a sister to the 5 brothers. She was born in the small village of Joniawaz of Rewari district in Haryana. Some of you will be able to connect this because some of you belong to this Haryana and Punjab part, right? This girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment, yani satisfaction. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. जिस तरह से at that time in Rewari district of Haryana, the way girls were treated, she was not happy with that. She was not satisfied. Santosh नहीं था. She began living life on her own terms from the start. बचपन से वो अपनी शर्तों पे जिंदगी जीती. कैसे? Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, kurti, pajama, whatever we say, Santosh preferred shorts. Looking back, she said now, from the very beginning I was quite determined that if I chose a correct and a rational path, the others around me had to change. बोल दिया कि बचपन से ही वो डिटरमाइंड थी कि अगर आप सही हो तो आपको बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, दूसरों को बदलना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज यू आर राइट हियर. और wearing a short, wearing any kind of cloth does not define our character and personality. खास करके character हमारा. If somebody is in short, it doesn't mean he or she is of mean character. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इसलिए इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छी कहा, a piece of cloth does not make a man. It simply means that you should not judge any person by the kind of clothes he or she is wearing. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड दिस। तो कहती है कि अगर मैं सही थी तो मुझे क्यों बदल रहा है भाई, बदले दूसरे। हाँ, Santo's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi, which was quite close by. But in line with the prevailing custom in the family, एक नियम था, एक परंपरा थी कि बॉयज है तो अच्छे से अच्छी स्कूल में। पापा रिच थे, लैंड ओनर थे, एफ्लुएंट थे, प्रभावशाली लोग थे, वो लोगों में से थे। संतोष had to make do with the local village's school, so she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. And the right moment came when she turned 16. 16 साल की जब होती है सही वक्त आता है। At 16 most of the girls in her village used to get married. Santosh was under pressure from her parents to do the same. 16 साल की हुई, परंपरा के मुताबिक, फैमिली कस्टम के मुताबिक शादी हो जानी चाहिए, दूसरी शादी लड़के की हो जाए। लेकिन ये संतोष उन लड़कियों जैसी नहीं, डिफरेंट। A marriage as early as that was the last thing on her mind. She threatened her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. She left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. When her parents refused to pay for her education, she politely informed of them of her plan to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fees. Her parents then agreed to pay for her education. देखो, मम्मी पेरेंट्स को बोल दिया कि अगर मैं पढ़ूंगी नहीं ठीक, अगर आप मुझे नहीं पढ़ाएंगे तो मैं शादी नहीं। जब नहीं माने पेरेंट्स तो घर छोड़ दिया। पेरेंट्स को लिख कर बताया है कि मैं ऐसा करने वाला हूँ, आगे पढ़ने वाला हूँ। पेरेंट्स से कि वी वुड नॉट पे योर फीस, कौन स्कूल तुम्हें दाखिला दे, बल्कि डिटरमाइंड थी, कहा कोई बात नहीं, इफ यू डोंट पे फीस आई विल वर्क हाफ टाइम, आई विल अर्न मनी, मैनेज माई फीस। पेरेंट्स को अग्री होना पड़ा, ठीक है बेटा तुम काम मत करो, हम आपकी फीस पे कर, झुकना पड़ा। सी, झुकाना पेरेंट्स को अच्छी बात नहीं है, लेट मी टेल यू, बट व्हेन यू आर राइट यू शुड फाइट in simple way. Okay, a simplest explanation of it is चीज को understand करना। Wishing always to study a bit more and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination, went to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel. Santosh remembered Kasturba Hostel faced the Arvali hills. I used to watch villagers from my room going up the hill, suddenly vanishing after a while. One day I decided to check it out myself. I found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. To my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative, motivated me to take to climbing. पढ़ने लिखना चालू हो गया, एक से बाद दूसरी एग्जाम पास होने लगी। पेरेंट्स भी अब थोड़े सॉफ्ट हो गए, कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया। कहते हैं कि जहाँ वो रहती थी, द प्लेस वेयर शी वाज लिविंग, हॉस्टल जो जहाँ, वहाँ से सामने अरवली हिल्स दिखते, पर्वत रेंज, और वहाँ से बहुत सारे लोगों को शी यूज्ड टू सी कि वो क्लाइंब करते थे। ओके, एक दिन शी सॉ अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु वर रेडी टू क्लाइंब दिस। उनको बोला कि मैं ज्वाइन करूँ, उन्होंने पॉजिटिवली बोला यस। तब से ये शौक शुरू हुआ, क्लाइंबिंग। Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money, enrolled in a course at Uttar Kashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering का कोर्स भी आया, वो कर लिया, एडमिट हो गई वहाँ पर। My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended in the 19th of May, and I was supposed to be in Uttar Kashi on the 20th, 21st. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttar Kashi. तब से तो पीछे मुड़ के देखा ही नहीं, कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर ली माउंटेनियरिंग की। अब माउंटेनियरिंग की कॉलेज को ज्वाइन करने का टाइम और वहाँ पर कॉलेज का एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म होने का टाइम, दोनों में ज़्यादा डेज नहीं। तो अदरवाइज बीइंग अ गर्ल चाइल्ड, उसको पहले पेरेंट्स के पास जाना था कि पेरेंट्स माय एग्जाम इज ओवर, नाउ आई हैव टू गो टू उत्तर काशी। Instead of that, she decided to go to उत्तराखंड. बाद में लेटर लिखा पेरेंट्स को कि मुझे माफ़ कर देना कि मैंने अपने आप ये डिसीजन ले लिया. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. धीरे-धीरे वो skill develop होता गया. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude. अब ऊंचाई पर जाना तो adjust करना सीख लिया, stamina develop कर लिया. Equipped with an iron will, लोहे जैसा मनोबल था उसका. Physical endurance and amazing mental toughness. She proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Arvali mountaineers if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve. If her climbing skills, physical fitness and mental strength impressed her senior, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of others. So she had many qualities. Tough, mental level वो भी important है. आप mentally weak हो तो मतलब physically भी बहुत strong. तो एवरेस्ट भी चढ़ लिया 20 साल की उम्र में. तो इतना ही नहीं था, लेकिन at the same time she was very polite. She was ready to work with others. She was ready to help others. बहुत ही concerned थी. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared with her oxygen with him. 1992 में एवरेस्ट मिशन के टाइम पे she tried to help somebody who was dying, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसको बचा नहीं पाई. लेकिन दूसरी बात, एक मोहन सिंह नाम के क्लाइंबर को हेल्प किया. उनका ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो रहा है, खुद का ऑक्सीजन अमाउंट दे दिया, तुम यूज करो वरना वो मर जाता. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepali women expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. Women in India और नेपाल की कुछ women का group था जो ऐसे माउंटेनियर्स थे, क्लाइंबर्स थे, उसको ज्वाइन किया उसने. दूसरी बार एवरेस्ट स्केल किया. And securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. हाइट एक नया रिकॉर्ड कर दिया माउंटेनियरिंग के फील्ड में. In recognition of her achievement, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, पद्मश्री भी उसको मिला कि उसने देश को गौरव दिया. Describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world, she said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in." यानी वो जो एक्साइटमेंट खत्म होने में थोड़ा तो टाइम लगा नॉर्मल होने में. Obvious था, when you are at Everest, it means you are at the top of the world. The world is below you, है ना. तो वो आपको बहुत एक अच्छा फील देता है. तो वो नॉर्मल होने में it took some time for her, right? Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor, हमारा फ्लैग अनफोल्ड किया, and held it aloft on the roof of the world. वहाँ पर लगा दिया. The feeling is indescribable. वो ऐसी फीलिंग है कि आप उसको डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian, obviously. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalaya. एक क्लाइंबर है, एक अच्छी कंसर्न्ड लेडी थी, दूसरों को हेल्प, एट द सेम टाइम एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली भी है. जब वो नीचे उतर रही थी दोनों बार, तो कुल मिला के 500 किलोग्राम जितना प्लास्टिक वेस्ट को नीचे लाई, एवरेस्ट को क्लीन किया. ठीक है, तो द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर. सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.